Hello lovelies, welcome back. Welcome to my chocolate cafe muffins. Mate, these are a little beauty. Oh, they're a little bit better than cafe ones, I reckon. Alright, first thing we need to do is preheat our ovens to 220 degrees Celsius. We want to get ourselves a 12-hole muffin tin, or I call them little muffin tins, but anyway, 12-hole muffin tin. Now, put a little bit of butter in each hole and rub it around with your fingers and make sure you coat all of them. Then sprinkle some plain flour over it, beat it like, put it up like this and beat it around and beat it around and beat it around until it covers all of it. Then you want to go over to your sink, tip it upside down, bang it on the corner of your sink and it'll get all the excess out and then it will look like this. Alright, and put that aside for a minute. Now, I'll write the recipe below as always for everyone. Alright, large bowl. 2 cups of plain flour. 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of bicarb soda or baking soda I think you call it, 1.25 cups of caster sugar. Okay, whisk up all your dry ingredients and just mix them all up really well and then set it aside for a minute. Alright, next thing we want to do is want to get our chocolate ready. So you use just over 1/2 cup of choc chips, and then you want to get some, I'm using choc melts, dark choc melts, or you can use the block cooking chocolate as well. And I'm going to just chop them up roughly, nice and big. So I'll just show you quickly, like, say the size of them, I'll just chop them in half, alright? And fill it until it's heaped up. Alright, now we've got a heaped cup of chocolate. Just stick it in a bowl somewhere and set it aside for a minute. Now we do all our wet ingredients. Okay, so first of all we need buttermilk. So if you've never used buttermilk before, you'll just find it in your milk section up there somewhere. So we need 1.25 cups. 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Now this is optional. I absolutely love it in there, but you do not have to do it if you don't want to. You can leave the coffee out. If you like coffee, 2 teaspoons instant. Alright, grab a whisk those 2 up first. Now we want to put 2 large eggs in there, but I've only got little ones, so I'm going to put 3 little eggs. We want to add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now we want to get 60 grams of butter in a little saucepan, put it on the lowest heat you can and melt it down. Alright, so once you've melted your butter down, now you only want to just melt it down so it's not too hot when you pour your mixture in. Alright, so pour your butter in. Now 60 grams is equal to 1/4 cup of butter, alright? Mix that in. Then you want 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I love using this vanilla bean extract one. Oh mate, it's so good, but it's pretty bloody expensive. Otherwise, vanilla extract is just as good. I normally always use that. In she goes. Alright, mix it up. Alright, now we get our bowl ready. So just move that out of the way. Get yourself a big spoon ready. Alright, get your whisk out. Pour it all in there. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my god, these are so good. And yet so bad. Alright, mix it in really well. Once it's all mixed in goes your chocolate. Mix that in or fold it in. Alright, just get a couple of spoons and pretty much almost fill them. I always say that and then I end up filling them right up anyway. Oh yeah. Alright, once they're done, I've probably got enough. I probably should have put a lot on, I've probably got enough left over to do another 3 or 4. Bonus! Alright, now, we want to put them in the oven for exactly 3 minutes. So make sure you time it, okay? It's important. For 3 minutes, and then you want to turn your oven straight down to 180 degrees. I reckon it's about 15, but I'll let you know in a second exactly how long it took, alright? So, 220, 3 minutes, straight down to 180 for the rest of the time. Check these little babies out. Oh my god, mate, my kitchen smells amazing. Alright, we're going to leave them sit there for 5 minutes to cool down a little bit. And then we're going to put them all onto your cooling trays. Alright guys, well as usual, I can't wait till they're completely cold of course. Right, these don't last long in this household. You ready for it? We're going to break one open. Oh man, yum, yum, yum. Check that out. Look at these beauties. You got big chunks of melted chocolate in there. They're light and fluffy and just beautiful. We definitely give these a crack. They will not disappoint. Thanks heaps for watching guys. Have yourselves an awesome night and I'll be back really soon. Bye.